what is personal injury protection?
So personal injury protection, we're asked, what is this a lot? And people don't understand that they even have this coverage most of the time when they get a policy. But personal injury protection is generally it's no fault insurance. And what that means is even if you're at fault, you'll be able to recover this policy or this coverage. But normally what we see is $1,000, $5,000. I've seen some policies that will have up to $25,000, and you can buy this. And I recommend that you do buy it.
So this is all regarding insurance. This is
Yeah,
insurance protection.
strictly on your car insurance policy, and it's additional coverage other than your liability or your UIM or your UM that you may have. But what it covers is anytime if you have medical bills or if you're out of work, you got some lost wages, you've got sometimes it covers mileage to and from your initial hospital visits. But the good news is they usually pay it quick. And so what's going to happen is if you're in a car accident, for instance, you're going to go to the emergency room and you may have a $5,000 ER bill. Okay, well, if you come and hire us, we got to work up your case. You're going to have additional treatment, and you're not going to settle your case until you're done treating. What personal injury protection coverage can do, or PIP as we refer to it, is we can go ahead and file your PIP claim. Now, we don't charge an attorney fee for that for you. So we can go ahead and get your PIP coverage for you. And let's say it's $1,000 that we see a lot, or $5,000. Well, that's $1,000 that we can give to you immediately you can help to get back on your feet, because if you're hurting and you can't work, I mean, you may have lost a week or so of work. Well, we're not going to get you reimbursed for your final settlement until the whole case is done. So the PIP coverage really comes into play, and it's really good. Another way that it helps is, people have health insurance, but they may have a $5,000 deductible or a $10,000 deductible, or even a $1,000 deductible. Well, who has an extra $1,000 laying around, or an extra $5,000 laying around?
Not
right?
me.
Exactly. So what the PIP does is PIP can go ahead and pay you that $5,000, so you've got that right there, and you can pay it to meet your deductible. And then the rest of the year and the rest of your treatment is going straight to your health insurance.
Good to know.
And we recommend that as well for our clients. And then one final tip, it's supposed to be short FAQs, but I'm on a roll here, is I always recommend whatever your health insurance deductible is, that should be how much PIP coverage, personal injury protection coverage, you have on your car. Because statistics show if you're going to go to the hospital, more than likely it's from a car accident. And so you want your PIP to cover your health insurance premium, your deductible.
So PIP, personal injury protection on your insurance, you may have already said this, but that is something you have to get additional. That's not already on your insurance, or it is?
Yeah, some coverages, it's additional insurance, but some policies like Geico, or they'll stick it in the quote. And a lot of times you're calling and you're getting your insurance, you don't even know what you're buying. I mean, let's be honest. You're calling, hey, what's the cheapest? Or
right.
Give me a mid-range tier, and they're just telling you, they're giving you something, you're e-sign it, and there you go, you're covered. You start driving. So you need to make sure you have this coverage. You may have it on there, and surprisingly, I would say 75% of our clients have no idea. And then when we pull the the declarations page, and it shows all their coverages, they're like, wow, we got an extra $1,000, extra $5,000. And so it makes the client happy because they get that running money, while we're working the case up, because the case might not settle for a year.
Yeah.
But no, you have to call your insurance, call your car insurance, and add that. And of course, I'm going to tell you to get the most you can afford. But if you match what your health insurance deductible is, that's a good, sound piece of advice.
When life gets ugly, justice is lovely. The lovely